Welcome back. Day 3, we have 18 days to go. Here's our calendar. We're gonna see this is what it looks like inside the egg. We're gonna candle here shortly, see what our babies are doing. We have been checking our temperature, making sure 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. We've been checking the humidity, making sure that there's enough water on the bottom of the incubator. We have also been checking to making sure that we hear our fan turning around in the incubator. And last thing, we have been checking our X's, making sure our X's are rolling around and that the eggs are rolling correctly. So remember, they roll 6 times a day. So some of the words of today are allantosis, amnion, eggshell, and embryo. So those are our words for today. Today, the beak, the wings, the legs, the allantosis begins to form, and amnion surrounds the embryo. So those are the things that are happening today inside the egg. Our activity, which we could call egg-tivity, ha ha ha, sorry, full of jokes. This is the worksheet. It is linked below, so you can follow the instructions. You can crack an egg inside from from your refrigerator. Get a paper plate and a toothpick, and you're going to crack an egg and then see if you can identify all the different parts. Remember, you can find the names of the parts inside your 21-day calendar that is available. All right, let's go candle some eggs. And as you can see, our incubator looks really good. I'm gonna pull the incubator closer so you can see all of our eggs. Our internal temperature is 99.3 degrees Fahrenheit, which looks good. The humidity is 65%, and we are going to candle the eggs today, and we are going to see what's going on. So we've done our checking our temperature, our humidity. We filled water today. Checked the ventilation. You can hear the fan. And let's see. We are going to use this egg today. I think this might have been the egg we used yesterday too. So we got our candler, and today that red dot right there is going to be your chicken, and if you look, you're going to be able to see a heart beating. And so the heart will be beating today. And if you look, you can see it. It's pumping. Let me see if I can rest my hand here. So, we can see our baby chick is moving. And then this way you'll be able to see the egg. You can actually see it beating. So, that's our chicken. And today, the limbs, so the legs are forming. The wings are forming. The lungs are forming. The inner and the outer ear starts to form. So that means it's starting to be able to listen and hear things. You can see really well that right there is the chick. And then these are all of the blood vessels that provide all the nutrients that the chick needs. Today, the tongue and the esophagus starts to form. So if you close your mouth and you swallow, that little pipe that goes from your mouth all the way to your stomach is your esophagus. That is what is forming today, and that helps the chick, when they get out of the egg and they hatch, to swallow. All right, so there's our chick. You can see it. Let's check its air cell. Here's its air cell. You can see that that's really nice. And you can see as I turn, our chick is right there, and it's moving around too. Let me go ahead and get another egg, and we are going to candle that egg. Let's do this white one. And let's see what this egg looks like. So this egg does not look like the other egg that we have. This egg looks like it might not even be fertile because it looks like the egg from day 1. But we're gonna leave it in the incubator until 14 days just to make sure that the egg is not maybe just taking a little bit longer to grow and start to develop. We want to straighten our eggs out here in our incubator. Let's try. Oh, this one's good. So you can also remember when we talked about all the eggs being face up, the eggs are rotating really well. So now you can see our baby chick and it looks really good. You see it right there? That's our baby chick. And you can actually see its heart beating. You see him moving when I'm moving? Right there is your baby. And let's check this one's air cell. Oh, it looks really good. You can see it. Let's say hi to the baby. Oh, the baby popped right around. You see it moving like that? So that's your baby. That was fun. We got to see lots of things. We got to see some eggs today that aren't fertile, right? They kind of look like eggs from day 1, a couple days ago. We still have to keep them in the incubator till 14 days. And then we will see if they are fertile, which will be really exciting. So we call some of those yolkers. And we also got to see some really cool air cells, ones that are easily identified. So we will see what tomorrow is. Can't wait.